يسأل حضرتك هل تابعت بعض مباريات الأهلي في الفترة الأخيرة؟ ولو كنت تابعت مباريات إيه الانطباع الأولي عنه؟
Of course, I have been watching a lot of Al-Ahly's games over the last weeks and months. Starting from the Club World Cup and now the first 8 to 10 games in the league. Watch more or less every game, trying to analyze what I see and what will be my next step in terms of